Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about iPhone features. So here I will let you show you how you can get this number on your battery icon. So this number could represent the level of power of your battery. It can help you to estimate the level of your battery and estimate when you have to charge your phone. And how to get this, it's so super simple and easy. Tap into the settings and then you just need to scrolling down until you got battery. Tap into it and there will be jump into the battery section. Now take a look on the top side. There will be two options: battery percentage and low power mode. Now if you want to get this number, just make sure that this button is on. So if you still have this type of the icon, you cannot estimate what the level of your battery right now. Just activate this and then you will get the number. So that's for this tutorial. It's super easy and simple. If you still want more tutorial about your iPhone, just tap into the comment sections below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and turn on the notification to find more tutorial about your iPhone. Thank you, and let's meet again into other tutorial.